So I got this cool little thing. It lets me make coffee and tea very quickly. That's it's actually not coffee grounds. I just got a tea bag and I tore it open and I dumped it in there just to kind of show you how cool this thing is. So I have a cup of water here. I filled it up a little too much, but hey, I've been drinking tea out of it all day just because it's so cool. So I fill this up, put the cup down here. Actually, gotta power it on. Tells me to put in the water, just did. Open this sucker up and put this guy in here. Just like that, I guess. And close it up. Hit and brew. There it goes. Yeah, I've been drinking tea all day with this one cup over and over again just because it's so cool. Yeah, I'm easily entertained. Go ahead and say it. There it goes. Hope I didn't overfill it, but hey, I'm sure we'll be fine. This thing works pretty fast too. I know you're probably getting bored, but I'm not. Yeah, it looks like I overfilled it a little bit.